Hey guys, it is me, it is I, Beatrice at Archibong, socially known as Blue Beatrice Archibong. So today we are doing something different and I'm excited. I'll be taking you around my apartment at the Airbnb in Lagos, Nigeria, and I'm so excited because this is my first time booking such place and I can't wait to show you around this environment. And guess what? The house is a blue house. I don't know if I'm just so obsessed about blue or I don't know. So I would have said let's get straight into this video, but if you're seeing my face for the first time, welcome to my channel. This is how we do it. And if you're a returning subscriber, Charlie, you're my person. I love you. You know how we do it now. Thank you. And you guys are so too much. I saw the love and support I got on my previous video and I don't know what to say. I'm just overwhelmed by your love, your support, and your consistency. So guys, let's get straight into the video.
Blue Beatrice Archibong is all about beauty, cooking, comedy, fashion, fitness, lifestyle, vlog and lots more.
So let me show you around this place I booked. And the place is so cool, so lovely. Come. So as you can see, this is the sitting room, there's a television, there's the kitchen, cooking. So this place is really lovely, so nice. In Lagos, Nigeria, and if you find yourself in Lagos, Nigeria, I want to visit this particular apartment. Like it's really so nice and affordable. Let me cook now, guys. So this is the bedroom tour, guys. I'm so sorry I didn't get to show the full view of this room, but the little you get to see, please do enjoy it. The duvet was very soft and I loved it. I just loved the color and the pillow was good to go. I just loved everything about this room, and also the bed was a queen size bed, guys. Like, you know, I am of the vibe, so I was just vibing. I don't know, just excited of the place, and yeah. Guys, the bathroom, I love the tiles combination, black and gold. It gave it this kind of kingy kind of if there's any word like a kingy. It gave it this kind of rich kind of view, and I just loved it. You know, sometimes the bathroom is always white, but this was kind of different and I loved it. You get to see the mirror there. Yeah, I just loved everything about the bathroom. Yeah, so like always had to take the COVID-19 precautionary measures in keeping safe, so I had to wash my hands and do the needful. This is the kitchen unit, and guys, I must say I love everything about the kitchen. And I had to make myself some jollof rice, some Nigerian jollof rice. Yeah, guys, I don't know if it's just that I am so obsessed with blue, but the kitchen, the lighting, everything about this kitchen was just perfect too for me, and I loved it. I don't know about you. So they had everything for cooking here. All what you need to do is buy maybe you want to make rice, you just buy the rice, everything else is in the house. Yeah, so my food is ready. You guys are all invited, all hands on deck. So this is a different angle of me filming the kitchen. I really wanted to tour this kitchen, but as you can see, I was making food to eat and also I was trying to film at the same time, so it wasn't really easy. And guys, this is the outside of the house. Like I said, it is blue, and I don't know if it's because I love blue. Well, this is a couch, and the fact that the couch wasn't colorful made me love it so much because it made it look so elegant, not some colorful kind of couch, and it was soft. Yeah. And this is me having the feel of the couch, guys. Like I said, it was soft and it was so comfy. Guys, I don't know if you see that time on the wall. That thing is so lovely and I loved it so much. And this is a TV, and I don't know, for some reason I'm not the TV kind of person. Guys, that AC over there was really chilling, and you know, Lagos sun is very hot, and we had the sound system. I was just enjoying some music there. And yeah, I'm back to the kitchen area. Yeah, because I did not get to show you guys this part of the kitchen, so I am back to the kitchen. So this is just me playing around and making sure I show you guys just some places in the house. So well, if you've watched this video up to this point, I must say you are my real VVIPs, and I love you so much. Thank you for all you do. See you in my next video.